Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is in Worth It. Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is in Worth It. So today's episode we got this cool oven around here, and basically what this is an insulated water bottle that also works as a wireless speaker option as well, which is pretty cool. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and here is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. So let's turn to this side. They do show you guys how to actually use it. And for the one that we got right here is a teal color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So take out the wrapper as well. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here they do have the brand logo, and they do mention how the product is insulated. So regardless if you guys put like hot liquid or cold liquid in here, it will keep it warm or cold. Warm for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. And then when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. And it does have like this non-slip material that's on here as well. So that way when you guys hold it or grip it, it won't fall as easy. Top part right here, you can see we do have a speaker option. And inside right here, we do have the option for you guys to plug in a cable to actually charge it. So let's open up. Here is basically what the inside looks like. So it does require a micro USB cable to recharge it. And then once you guys are done, you have to seal it back up. So that way none of the water can get in. Front part right here, we do have the power button for you to turn it off and on. And then the bottom part here is stainless steel. And if you guys are curious about the capacity that's on here, it's 17 fluid ounce. But once you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So there is some stuff inside. So when you take it out, pretty much inside they do probably got the user manual, and they also probably got the charging cable that's used to charge it up. And if you guys can see, the inside is basically stainless steel. And the way how they designed the lid is leak proof. So when you guys do put liquid in here, it shouldn't leak out. And also the way how they designed the side part here, when you guys do put like hot stuff in here, it won't burn your hand, which is pretty cool. So before I do the leak proof test, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it up and how to use the speaker option first. Alright, so let's open the back part. If you guys plug it in. So once you guys plug it in, it doesn't seem like there's any indicator light to show you guys that it is charging. But if you guys do press the power button, that will turn it on. So now I'm actually connected on the Bluetooth first. Alright, so we got connected. If you guys play a song on here, alright, so I mean here the speaker option on here definitely does work. It's not like the best quality speaker out there, but it's pretty cool how she give you guys the option. So that way when you guys are carrying a water bottle, when you guys are working out, or if you guys are going for a run, you definitely have a speaker option to listen to music at the same time, which is pretty cool. And then once you guys are done, you can press and hold the button again. And that will turn it off. So very easy and very simple for you guys to use it. But now I'm just going to add some water inside right here to test it out to see whether or not it's actually leak proof first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the bottle or the product. Let me actually add some water inside to show you guys whether or not it's actually leak proof. Alright, so that's pretty good. Let's seal it back up. And I do want to mention for this part right here, for the USB charging option, you do want to make sure it's fully sealed. So that way none of the water get in. If you guys do like pour water on top or something, or if you guys spill the water by accident. But once the product is fully sealed up, if you guys pour it out, if you see the product is leak proof, none of the water will leak out. And will definitely keep your liquid inside either cold or warm, depending on what you guys add inside. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And you can see it definitely does work. And obviously for this water bottle, when you guys use it for the first time, you do want to wash it with some warm water and some soap as well to make sure it's clean before you use it. And like I mentioned earlier, when you guys do put the hot stuff or cold side inside right here, you probably won't feel it on the outside. So let's test it out. So I do have some boiling water right here. If you guys pour it inside, alright, that should be good. So when you guys feel it on the side right here, if you can see when I put my hand right here, I don't feel anything on the outside. So the material that's on the outside layer definitely will keep it warm in the inside, but also you guys won't feel anything from the outside. And just to prove you guys that it is hot water, if you guys pour it out, you can definitely see the steam that's coming out. So the product definitely does work and will keep your hands safe when you guys do use it for the hot liquid or cold stuff inside. Welcome back guys. So that's a quick test. The product definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So whether if you guys put hot liquid or cold liquid in here, it doesn't matter. But you see when we actually test out the product, it is leak proof. And I love the fact that how when you guys do grab the bottle, if you guys do put like really cold stuff in here or really hot liquid in here, you won't feel it. And I also do love the size of the product. It's not that big or not too small. It's the perfect size for you to bring along when you guys are traveling or going anywhere you guys want. And I also love the size of the product. It's not too big or not too small. It's the perfect size for you to bring along with you guys anywhere. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality portable insulated water bottle that give you guys a speaker option that's built in as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.